Welcome to Bright Side YouTube tutorials. So in last class we have studied set, what is the definition of set and representation of set. So in this class we have studying types of sets. So basically first, what is empty set? We have so many types of set, so we will study one by one. So first, what is empty set? So empty set is a set which does not contain any element. Empty set is a set which does not contain any element. That is what they are saying. The set which do not contain any element, they are called as empty set. And the empty set is also called as null set and void set.
Any set which do not contain any element.
So ಯಾವುದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸೆಟ್ ಎಂಪ್ಟಿ ಸೆಟ್. So they are also called as null set and void set. So now, so let us take some example with, right? So let B be a set. So let B be a set where X is the number of students X is the number of students who are studying both class 11 and class 12 at a time. Can we study both the class 11 and class 12 at a time? Is it possible? No. So it clearly says that there is no student or there is no element in this set. So what does the set say? Set X is the number of students who are studying in class 11 and class 12 at a time. Both class 11 and class 12 at a time. Is this possible? Right? It is not possible. So it is empty set. B is equal to empty. So empty is denoted by like this. So this is B is null set, void set, empty set. This can be called as null set, void set or empty set. So it is denoted by this. This indicates that there is no element, so it is empty set. So next, you have studied empty set and as example. So finite set. So what is finite set? So what does finite set says? A set which is empty. If it is empty, you can say there is no element, so it is finite. So the set which is empty or which consists of definite number of element. So what does it means? So you can observe in this example it is empty. If I take C is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is this set is finite? How do you say? So you can count the numbers. So it is countable. If this is countable, then it is finite set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 elements are there. We can directly say C is equal to 5 elements. C has 5 elements. So this is finite set. It should consist of definite number of elements. It should contain definite number of elements or it should be empty. So then that set is called as finite set. A set, it should be empty or it should contain a definite number of elements. So that is called as finite element. Otherwise, if it does not contain finite elements, so set of natural numbers that is equal to 1, 2, 3, so on. Most right, it does not have finite element. So that set is called as infinite set. This is infinite set. This is finite. This is finite set. This is also finite set. This is empty set, null set, void set as well as finite set. Because it does not contain any element, that means it is finite. So it contains finite, so this is finite, and If it does not contain a distinct elements or finite elements, then it will be infinite, right? So let's go for, so we have studied three types: empty set, finite set, and infinite set. Okay, now we will come for equal set. What is equal set? So if you say any number is equal, when you will say that, so it should be exactly equal. So is 1 is equal to 5? It does not equals. So if you want to say that 5 is equal to 5, right? If you want to say two elements are equal, then both the elements should be same. So this also same here. So in equal set, two sets A and B, we will take two sets A and B, which are represented by the capital letters A and B, are said to be equal if there has exactly same elements. There should be exactly same element. Suppose I have taken C is equal to 1 2 3 4 5, right? C is equal to 1 2 3 4 5. So if I take D, so I need to say C is equal to D, then it should contain exactly same elements, that 1 2 3 4 5. So is C is equal to D? Yes. So it contains the exactly same elements. If D is equal to 3 4 2 1 5, is C equal to D? Is C equal to D? So here, what is C here? So I will rub all this. So C is equal to 1 2 3 4 5. So and D is equal to 3 4 2 1 5. So is C equals to D? Is C equals to D? So here all the elements in C is there in D? Yes. So it is equal. So C and D are equal set. Similarly, A and B, you can take any of the two sets, A and B or C or D, any of the set. If they are equal, or if we want to say that they are equal, then they should have exactly the same elements. This is what empty set, finite set, and equal set says. So after this, so now let us go for subset. So what is subset? Set A is said to be subset of B. Then every element of A, every element of set A should contain in set B. If A is a subset of B, if we want to say that A is a subset of B, then every element of set A, ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಎ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬಿಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಎ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು ಬಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದ ಎವ್ರಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಶುಡ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್, ದೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay na. B is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 so on 7 so on. Okay na. It continues. It is finite set and it is infinite set. Okay na. So I want to say that A is subset of set B. Set A is subset of set B. So basically you need to know that it is denoted by like this symbol. So subset is defined by symbol like this. So A is subset of B. I will say like this. Okay na. So if I want to prove this condition, it should satisfy that every element of set A should exist in set B. Is it exist? So 1 is exist here, 2 3 4 5. Every element of A is contained in set B. It may contain any extra element, but every element of this set A should contain in set B. So this is what the condition says in the subset. Okay, so now we can conclude that A is subset of B. You can take anything. In last example, we have taken AEIOU, set AEIOU. So taken as Y, right? So if Z is equal to all the alphabet A, B, C, D, so on. So A contained here, E will also, every element, every alphabet means every 26 alphabets is also present. In the 26 alphabet, A, I, O, U is also the part of that, right? So Y is a subset of Z. If Z does not contains all the alphabet, suppose it contains only the consonants B, C, D, F, like these elements, other than vowels, that means consonants, right? Now is Y is subset of Z. Now is Y is subset of Z. Any of the element is not there in set Z. Any of the element of Y is not in set Z. So Y is not subset of Z. I think you have understood the concept of subsets. So we will jump into power set now. Power set says that collection of all the subset of set A, collection of every subset of set A, then it is called as power set. So that is denoted by P of A. So let us take set A is equal to 1, 2, 3 as the elements, right? So I will write P of A. P of A is equal to, empty set should be there first. So 1, 2 and 3, these are the subsets. So still it is there. So 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. These are the subsets. So count how many subsets are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 elements are there. This is the general formula, 2 power m. 2 power m. How many elements are there? How many elements are there in the set A? So m is how many elements are there in set A. So count 3 elements are there, 8. So 2 power 3. So that means 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 elements are there. Commonly we can write that. So P of A is equal to 2 power m, where m is the number of elements of set A. M is the number of elements of set A. So you can write like that. So I think you have understood the concept of power set also. Now let us jump into universal set. So universal set is nothing but it is a basic set. So that basic set is called as an universal set and it is denoted by U. So how to understand this is, if you are studying, so we have considered an example here, A is equal to 1, 2, 3. So we are studying, suppose assume that we are studying the natural numbers. So we have considered the set as natural numbers. So universal set will be 1, 2, 3, so on. So basic set is natural number for this set A. So this is basic set. So that is called as universal set. And this is what, while studying a Venn diagram, you can understand what is universal set and what is power set, what is subset, what is finite, infinite, empty, everything you will understand while studying Venn diagram. So we will study that Venn diagrams in next videos. Until then, thank you for watching the videos, guys. Keep watching. If you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section. We will clear the doubt as soon as you have commented. So thank you. Meet you again in next video. Thank you.